Hello, it's been a while since I've made a video. With that, my software crashed and I can't figure out how to use what I usually was making. So within that, I have this.
Alright, this is the Benjamin 357 in the Magnum version, so M357. My highest foot pounds have been about nearly 251. This is the first day, less than 100 shots. Now let's go ahead. This is the first day, less than 100 shots. Now let's go ahead and see at 100 yards if it stays true with the others.
800, 300.
Holy Christ, I just hit the record. I just hit it. Okay, I screenshot that last one because it was almost 302 foot-pounds at 800 feet per second, and a 211 grain is what my molten mix weighs on the 4th of January 2024. This is within less than 7 hours of me opening the box up and cleaning it up to shoot. So here we go. I've already made sure that it's living up to its 300 FPE, and I believe it. Now, being as I was stock out of box, I used it at about 3150 filled. I always filled. Now this is my 7th Bulldog, so I just really like this platform, especially now that it's way stronger.
765.
So second shot, 275.9. So, yes, this boy ain't crying. And these are far from perfect rounds. They look like trolls. But I need a new hot plate and for it to warm up. No, just kidding. The hot plate will help. Okay, quit blabbing and I'm going to try and see. Nice.
267.6.
267.6, and I'm having my nerves are not working so well today, but that's alright. So I'm using a PETG glow in the dark single shot tray. You don't need that, but it's just nice for setting them down instead.
735, 254.6.
Look at that.
231.
It still dropped about 4. 231.1 at 700 feet a second. 701 feet a second. I'm going to go just slightly about the same spot.
600.
Whoa,
94,
right in the forehead at a -4 or a +4, excuse me, on the live. Now it's 226.5. I'm not gonna, I'll shoot a couple more of these. Huh. I overshot the shoulder, you're joking.
11.
Okay. That's good enough for me. I'm going to air that.
So here's an example of a variety of different shot strings, and I did 5 different configurations. This was my first day, or actually evening, night, using this out of new box. The factory settings were important for me to keep. There's that torso setting there. I mean, some of them just hit really nicely, especially now I'm starting to get used to it. But then there's some of these other bullets like this 359 near 90 grain round flat. It needs to be completely detuned in order to be shooting that beyond about 40 yards. And then this TC here is amazing, and same with that 360 to 356 or 7. There's some shot values off of that. Here's some of them deep hollow points, and then there's a torso. If you like, please subscribe and let me know.